Do you recognize this place? What if I told you you see it every day? This is the Rani Ki Vav, a 1,000-year-old stepwell that features on the 100 rupee note of India. In a unique gender reversal role, the Rani Ki Vav was built by Rani Udaymati in loving memory of her late husband King Bhima. Their capital was Ahilwara Patan, which was an important trading port along the Silk Route from China. This is the same Patan that the Patan Patola designs come from that are super expensive and luxurious. In fact, many of these Patan Patola designs find their way on the wall carvings of the Rani Ki Vav. The Rani Ki Vav is a stepwell that was built using a very sophisticated water harvesting system, much like our modern day ones. The water from the Saraswati was channeled through these deep canals into a reservoir called the Sahasraling Talab, where apparently once 1,000 shivlings stood. The mud from the river was collected in the reservoir, and the clean water was channeled through deep trenches into the Rani Ki Vav and other surrounding stepwells. But is the Rani Ki Vav really just a stepwell? Or could it have been a place of worship because it is basically like an inverted Hindu temple? Let me explain. A Hindu temple looks something like this. It has a few steps leading up to a mandapam, then some bigger mandapams, and finally the shikhara. Now, if I were to invert this 180 degrees and bury it underground, that's what the Rani Ki Vav looks like. In fact, the walls of the Rani Ki Vav are carved with thousands of gods and goddesses, just like any other Hindu temple. Imagine what advanced construction techniques they used 1,000 years ago to create this magnificent structure that goes 7 floors deep underground. So the next time you see a 100 rupee note, remember that there's an invaluable mystery in there.